So have you always wondered which pre-workout drink should you take, or should you take any in the first place? Can something replace your usual pre-workout drink? If yes, then keep on watching till the end, because in this video I'm going to uncover 3 secret ingredients under Rs.50 which can actually replace your pre-workout drinks. Coming up. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and if you are new here, consider subscribing because there is lots more coming up. And coming back to the topic, guys, I have discovered, or found you can say, a perfect formula which can replace your pre-workout drinks, so you don't have to take that crappy pre-workout drinks with lots and lots of fillers and colors, and which will give you the exact energy, the exact pump, and for whatever reason you have been taking your pre-workout, it will fulfill that reason for you. So let's get to it right now. First step would be that you take a vitamin B complex just before half an hour to 1 hour before your workouts. And what this will do is that it will provide you with the right energy, the right stamina which you need to smash your workouts. Several studies show that, guys, the vitamin B complex helps in collagen synthesis and boosts energy levels, and also breaks down your carbohydrates and fats to provide energy for your workout. And isn't that we all want? And if that's not enough, it also supports the antioxidants in our body, reduces fatigue and muscle cramps. Next step you need to do is that you need to take coffee. You need to take black coffee 15 minutes prior to your workouts. I know many of you must be knowing that coffee is the cheapest fat burner in the market, and this has been popularized and everybody knows about it. But what you guys don't know is that most of the pre-workouts contains caffeine as their main ingredient, which is, I guess, 90 to 80% of your pre-workout is filled with caffeine, and the rest of the other stuff is just artificial fillers and colors. So why do you want to take that artificial fillers and colors when you can take that caffeine from the coffee? So you can do shots, or you can also do a large mug of black coffee if shots are too strong for you. The last step, and which is the most important step, is drinking water, guys. You need to drink 1.5 to 2 liters water before 2 hours or 1 hour before starting your workout, within that time frame. What this will do is that, guys, drinking water post, pre and during the workout itself is very important, whether you are trying to burn fat or you're trying to build muscle, because it lubricates your joints, your muscles, and provides energy during your workout. It transports oxygen and glucose throughout your body, which we all want for that perfect energy to smash our workouts. So there you have it, guys, the perfect formula which can replace your pre-workout drinks. And if this video helped you in any way, guys, just like this video, leave me comments down below. It really means a lot when you guys tell me that you liked the video, or any suggestions or any video ideas you might give. And also subscribe to my channel, click the bell button so that you get notified whenever I upload a video. Very important, guys, if you really like this video and you think that it might benefit other people, just share this video on your WhatsApp and Facebook. It will help me a lot. So I will see you all in the next video. Bye, guys. So here, guys, it's kind of creepy, but I was searching for my cat in the whole house. I've searched everywhere, under the tables, cupboards, everything. But when I walk into this washroom, let me introduce to you to this guy. His name is Whitey.